Ebina sense. Tembuza buzo bitaina sense.
Why are you here today and what is your manifesto in the Yellow Parliament?
I'm here. First of all, I'm Mr. Nsereko Moses, a former MP contestant in the by-election in Kawempe North and a former Ugandan presidential aspirant. I've come here to express my interest for the post of Yala. You know very well that there is a by-election. We have 2 vacant posts. One of the posts is for Honorable Kakoza James and Honorable Namala Dennis. So we have a vacancy here. That's why I'm here. I want to express my interest for the post of MP Yala.
What is your manifesto?
I've already explained. I've already explained that. I've already told you. The work of the East African Parliament, first of all, to pass laws that govern the East African community. To make laws that govern the East African community. Also, I will represent Uganda in Yala. Thank you so much.